Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you get the hydroelectric turbines inside of Subnautica 2. And these turbines are really handy because you only have to place them once in one of these little vortexes that are all over the map, and you basically have free power for extremely cheap, and this stuff never runs out because these vortexes never stop. At least not right now. That might change in the future, but for right now, not so much. So in order to get this particular blueprint for the hydroelectric turbine, we're going to head to the north, sort of between north and 15, and we're going to go visit the old habitat. One of the turbines is behind it. We need to scan two of them, and the other turbine is to the east. So as we head to the north, we're looking for this platform right here that is sort of down next to this ravine, and this is going to take us to a current. This current is going to take us all the way to the old habitat really quickly, which is great so you don't have to waste a whole bunch of oxygen traveling. So once you're here at the old habitat, which is part of the main storyline, you're going to want to look around just a little bit to the north here in this pile of junk of the old habitat, and the first fragment that you need to scan is right here, sitting on two metal plates, or I guess they're supposed to be tables, but they sank into the ground a little bit. There's a few other things here, including a box full of goodies, so make sure you grab that, and from here, we're going to zip through this cave to the east. The next fragment isn't too far away. You just want to zip through that little cave and kind of swing to the right, and then here on this platform is the other fragment that you need, and you should be good to go from here. You can then take this current, which kind of takes you back to base to the north after swinging around to the east. It leads you over here to this wreckage, and you can take another current over here back home. So the way that these turbines work is they're pretty inexpensive, and as long as you place them somewhere inside of one of these currents that goes through the map for free, you should be provided with a pretty good source of electricity, 12 electricity per second to be precise, that never needs to be refilled and works day and night. The only caveat is it has to be placed inside of one of these currents, or else it will produce exactly 0 energy. It costs 3 titanium, 3 copper, and 3 silver, so it's on the cheaper side, and I would recommend building a whole bunch of them, because as your base gets bigger, it gets hungrier for power. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This is where you get the hydroelectric turbine inside of Subnautica, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.